Good morning, y'all. It is Friday, and I'm going to try to share with you what I am going to do with the sweet little bird cage that my birdie dropped off to me. Now, airplane plants, such as this one, or whatever y'all want to call them, they do really well as hanging plants. I'm sorry, that road is so loud. Now, I had 2 pots of these, which also came from my little birdie. I know, she's a very generous lady. But anyway, so I've tried to divide them. Now, you guys can see they grow from tubers, okay? Now, the trick is going to be getting a couple of them through that little door. Can you see it? Now what I've done is I have lined the bottom with a large Ziploc baggie that I have cut the lock off of. And I've anchored the corners down with some little rocks. Now, getting these to be exactly even is not easy. Now, I might have been able, I'm trying to see, oh my goodness, y'all. Hang on. Hold on, I gotta go get my big, oh, I don't need my big screwdriver. I'll use my gardening scissors. Now, if I can just, oh, that's not what I need to do. Okay, I need to bend that sucker down a little bit. There, look at that. Well, it doesn't open all the way because you can see this piece right here is just bent. Now, I've also loosened that one, but that's no problem. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius, huh? Can y'all see that? I'm trying to get you. I was going to use my colored rocks to anchor, but I decided against that. Ugh, it is early morning, y'all. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do is, hold on, I got to get my pot. Oh, here we go. Okay, I'm going to have to put some potting soil in here, but I want a few extra rocks. No leaves, thank you. This is for drainage, y'all. It's really good I went and got all these free rocks. Even though I don't like them, I sure have been using them. I used a bunch in my flower pit. Okay, that should be enough. Now I'm going to put some handfuls. Now, it doesn't have to be precise. And this potting soil, okay. All right, now I'm going to try to put 2 of these in here, but I don't know. Oh, see, there were 4 of these to a pot, and they were root down, y'all. They had outgrown the pot. So I'm going to put the 2 smallest ones in there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off these roots and tubers. And trust me, they will grow back. It'd be funny if they didn't though, huh? And made a liar out of me. So I'm just going to loosen these up a little bit. There we go. Put that in there. Another handful of potting soil around there. Now, it's going to come out over the edges some, and I don't have a problem with that, okay? Let's see. What about you? I don't know. I kind of like this guy right here. So let me cut him loose. It's so good to have all these rocks to work on, y'all, because all you got to do is hose it down, and the dirt goes down in between the rocks. Okay, I'm just loosening up all this soil because they were really root bound. And so I'm going to trim these off nice and short. There we go. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope this does not hurt. Now, this is going to be tricky. See, they've got a baby coming out. So I have got to try to put him or her, let's see, and feed that. I don't want to break it. There we go. Okay, you got to be easy because you got little brothers and sisters coming through here. Okay, now then, I've got to add some more potting soil. I'm just going to dump it right on top. Why not? And then shape my little plants. Okay. Let me see. Hold on one second while I go get the rest of my potting soil. Okay, I just brought over a handful. Now, I don't want to use, and I have not used very much of the potting soil that they were in. I used mostly fresh because that soil was probably pretty depleted. I hope y'all are being able to see this. Every once in a while, I do have to watch a little bit of a video because, okay, I'll get some more potting soil and put on there. And then I'm going to help their little leaves. Now, y'all, I hope this is going to work. And if it looks like my little plant, or plants in this case, are distressed, then I will remove them and do something better. But I just thought that was so cute. This little bird cage is adorable. I just love it. So, that's basically what it's going to look like, y'all, except with more potting soil in it. Now, I can't hang this somewhere where it's going to make mud when I water it, so I'll have to be careful where I put it, okay? But I'll figure out a way, let me tell you. My little birdie has been so incredibly generous to me. And y'all know what? I'm coming up on my 1-year anniversary here in the cottage. Wow, it's been a wild ride, let me tell you. Okay, now, I still have, there's 2 plants on here and there's 2 here. Now, I'm going to have to figure out pots for them. And even in regular pots, there's always a way to hang them. And you know, if I want to do something, I'm going to figure it out. So y'all have a wonderful day. I've got so many projects going on today. And as usual, oh, I want to show y'all this. Look. Can y'all see that? This is the, I don't think it's clematis. Anyway, y'all know what it is. It's one of those plants that'll grow and grow and grow way up over that fence. And I want to show you the, excuse me, little guy. I want to show you, can you see those? Right here? These are sunflowers that are coming in. Remember I told y'all I put those in the middle? Now, the clematis or whatever this is, it is slowly starting to come up. I think that's grass right there. Let me get rid of that. And I don't know why it's taken this side so long, but I put a package, oops, over there, sunflowers in the middle, and then a package over here. I'm so bad at, I should take this right, I should take the camera out. Hold on, y'all. Duh, dingbat at work. Okay, hopefully y'all can see this. Gosh, there is nothing more fun than looking at nature. Now, I'm going to have to figure out these little guys right here. And I got to get this one some water. And I'm doing this pot for azalea. And I think I told y'all in an earlier video, I might have even taken a picture of it. I hope I did. It was a succulent so crammed in there, several of them, and the ground was hard as a rock. Now they will grow and flourish even in that, but she wanted it to be prettied up, so I'm going to do that for her.